it is vital that you should know what action to take in the event of a nuclear attack.
Obtain protection against fallout, and as far as possible against heat and blast. You should now select and fortify a room in which to shelter, both during the attack and during the period of intense radiation that may follow. Once there has been a warning of fallout, it may be dangerous to leave your fallout room except for very short periods to collect more food and water.
If you fail in this, your negligence could endanger the lives of your friends and neighbors as well as your own family. But wherever you live, you must know how to help yourself.